Things were getting out of control in this city. Absolutely bonkers. People were in the hospital, not dying from one-ups, in pain, screaming for Jesus to take them. And there's... In fact, I died and came back. Told Xander. What does that mean? What are these one-up drugs doing to everybody in this goddamn city? I'm losing my mind, my heart. Then there's Mr. Game Over. We don't know who they are, where they are, who they're gonna strike next. I'm a David. Gotta pull it together. Gotta pull it together somehow, David. Don't lose your faith. And someone did try to kill us last week. God damn it, who was it? Got so many enemies. Oh, Jeebus, help me. Gotta stay strong, David. Stay strong for Xander. I don't know what he's doing.
God damn! Yeah! Oh, yeah. Fuck, I am so horny. Need some granny ass tonight. Let's go. Yeah!